Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are discussing Bionano Genomics BNGO stock, specifically BNGO stock's price surging upwards. We will also talk about analysts' price predictions for BNGO stock, and lastly, we will examine a brand new breakthrough study because of Bionano Genomics Saphyr system and how it can help us fight future illnesses. Like this video right now for Bionano Genomics, comment down below what you like about BNGO stock, subscribe if you are new to get more stock news, and let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a brokerage where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies easily. Right now, if you make an account with Webull, they will give you 2 free stocks, each worth anywhere from $2 to $250, and if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit, you will get 2 more free stocks, each valued from $8 to $1,600. You are basically guaranteed to make $20 or more if you cash out immediately, or you could luck out and receive up to $3,200. Not to mention that you also have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google, Procter & Gamble, or Heinz. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer ends on January 15th, and with that being said, let's get into our first Bionano Genomic stock article. BNGO stock has done great in 2021 by coming out with multiple breakthrough studies, which has caused the stock price to surge dramatically. However, the momentum was slightly stifled after Bionano Genomics announced new shares, which initiated a sell-off. This new share issuance can be good or bad depending on how you look at it. It either means that Bionano Genomics is raising more cash so they can invest it back into their company, which will raise the BNGO stock price, or these new shares will further dilute the stock price, lowering their worth, which could start a downtrend with further BNGO stock sell-offs. In either scenario, BNGO stock will continue to be volatile, along with always having the potential to skyrocket later on to be a powerhouse in Bionano Genomics' respected sector. At the time of this video, BNGO stock is trading at $5.66 with a support line of $4, which is anticipated to increase if Bionano Genomics keeps up their insane momentum. But it will be a bumpy ride for many investors considering the risk associated with BNGO stock due to the macroeconomic factors at hand. Bionano Genomics stock skyrocketed over 25% in the pre-market hours, which helped get BNGO stock a rating of 99 for its short-term technical score, meaning that it has more bullish momentum than 99% of stocks, maybe because Bionano Genomics stock has increased over 840% in 1 month, which encouraged analysts to say that BNGO stock is a strong buy right now. Bionano Genomics stock also has a very impressive long-term technical rank of 100, which outranks many stocks in the diagnostics and research industry. Not to mention that genomics is a rapidly evolving market, which is set to explode over the next 7 years with a compound annual growth rate of close to 20%. Which is spectacular for investors who are willing to invest early. If you like Bionano Genomics stock, you might also enjoy these other stocks like Check, DHR, OPK, and Beat, just to name a few in no particular order or fashion. Bionano Genomics is unique, but the other stocks also have good things to offer as well. But as I always mention, if you want to be diversified in the genomics market in particular, you can't go wrong with the ARK Invest ARKG ETF, which is safer than investing into only one of these stocks. According to analysts, Bionano Genomics has a rank of 66, and we get this number by using all available data and information and comparing it to every other stock on the open market. So a rank of 66 means that BNGO stock is a better investment than 66% of all other stocks on the market. This is a general ranking of a very thorough analysis because it considers both technical and fundamental calculations in this ranking. With with some analysts giving BNGO stock a low price target of $2. However, that is enough stock analysis. Let's focus on Bionano Genomics' recent news, which is that Bionano Genomics technology in their Saphyr system can give researchers unseen insight into the pathogenesis of the illness. I would say the name of the illness, but then no one would see this video, so please read the bulleted highlighted portions of this study, which uses Bionano Genomics technology. This study says that they had 37 test subjects who had severe symptoms from the illness, with 30 of the patients needing ventilators. Overall, 25 of them recovered, while the other 12 did not make it. The good thing is that Bionano Genomics Saphyr system identified a duplication of the STK26 gene, which controls how a cell responds to a viral infection, which is not supposed to be duplicated, meaning that something is wrong with them, which is why they do get hit hard with the illness, while others can recover with only minor symptoms, but much is still unknown. The optical genome mapping with Saphyr from Bionano Genomics can revolutionize how we see, diagnose, and even treat diseases and illnesses at the fraction of the cost for this information. This breakthrough just adds another successful study to Bionano Genomics' growing portfolio, which is sure to reflect in BNGO's stock price. Another great catalyst for BNGO stock is the Next-generation Cytogenomics Symposium, which is on January 15th, where results from this study will be presented. The senior author of this study even had this to say, and I quote, "As director of a high-volume testing lab at Augusta University for the illness, I've seen firsthand the pain and devastation this virus can cause in those who get severely ill. The majority of the ICUs across the country are filled with patients fighting for their lives, yet we did not know why some become so severely ill, while others, the same virus causes only mild symptoms in most. Our study shows clearly that many of these severely affected patients carry genetic variants that may cause or at least contribute to the severity of their disease by weakening the effectiveness of the immune response, increasing viral replication, or making it easier for the virus to spread between cells in the body. Importantly, the large genomic variations detected by optical genome mapping in this study are typically missed by the short-read sequencing or SNP-based methods used in other studies, which explains why previous studies haven't made the same impact." End quote. So not only is Bionano Genomics technology better than their competitors, their device can actually pick up variances that have been missed by other methods, thus opening the door for better research. The CEO of Bionano Genomics had this to say about the study, and I quote, "The illness continues without signs of slowing down. This study demonstrates that the wide variation in symptoms exhibited by patients is likely not random for most of them, but instead at least partially the result of structural variations affecting critical pathways in patients' defenses against infection and immune responses to the disease. The results also demonstrate that even when a disease has already been studied extensively with sequencing, OGM with Saphyr has the potential to reveal significant insights not seen without it. While we are devastated by the loss of lives caused by this illness, we are grateful that our genome analysis platform can contribute to a better understanding of the disease and possibly save lives." This is absolutely great news for BNGO stockholders because Bionano Genomics is in a great place for now. They just issued new stock, analysts say to buy BNGO stock, and a big catalyst event will take place on January 15th. However, I would not be doing you any favors if I also did not quickly address the bear side of the stock. For instance, the company does not make enough revenues to sustain its functions, which is why it is issuing stocks to get money just to stay in business. And lastly, this is still considered a speculative stock play, so be careful and put your stop losses on so that you do not get burned or stuck holding it. BNGO stock could be a huge player in the future, especially if they continue releasing groundbreaking studies, which I think they will. Like this video right now, subscribe if you are new, comment down below your thoughts, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.